Hi, it's Tom from Roywood Transits. This is just a quick video walk around of our latest van in stock, which is a Ford Transit 350 130 PS, 6-speed manual L3H2. So that's long wheelbase, medium roof, front wheel drive, Trend series, fitted with air conditioning and a few other extras. Registered the 8th of October 2018. This has covered 41,205 miles and comes with 6 months warranty. So full aluminium Rhino roof rack with rear roller, reversing camera, parking sensors front and back, and fitted with a 50mm bull tow bar and 7-pin electrics. It's also been fitted with a high security stainless steel upgraded driver security door lock. And as it's the Trend series, automatic headlights, heated windscreen, and as I said, air conditioning as well, so a very nice spec. In the back of the van, as it's an L3, we've got just under 3.5 meters of load length along the washable plastic floor, full metal bulkhead, with some slight damage commensurate for the age and the mileage of the vehicle, upgraded LED lighting, yellow grab handle, and as it's the front wheel drive version, you've got just over 1.8 meters from floor to ceiling. It's an extra 10 centimeters than the rear wheel drive version of the same van. And you also have 180-degree rear barn doors, which can be locked when they're in the 90-degree position, like so. Inside the cab is in great condition for the age and the mileage. And it comes with rubber floor mats and also seat covers, which aren't in this video. You've got dual passenger seat, 10-way adjustable driver's seat with lumbar support, electric windows, automatic headlights, voice activation when your phone's connected through Bluetooth, cruise control, speed limiter. Down here you've got your heating, you've got your air conditioning, and up here's the smaller display, which shows your parking sensors when put in reverse, and then the reverse camera, as seen there. You've also got your radio and your connectivity, so you can connect your phone through USB or using an auxiliary cable to bring up your music. And just confirming the mileage. So in conclusion, and for sale today, here we've got a Ford Transit 350 L3H2 Trend series with air conditioning, a full aluminium Rhino roof rack with rear roller, a reversing camera, parking sensors front and rear. If you have any questions or would like to organise a viewing, please give us a call on 0118 9790 060. Thank you.